Printables, thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shell Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So today we're going to learn how to create a printable to sell on Etsy. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go to iPicky.com. Once you're there, you're going to select Create a Design, and then you're going to select New, and then I'm going to select a 8x10. I'm going to leave the background white, and then you're going to select Create. Once there, you're going to select the text box, and you're going to type in your text for your printable. Mine will say Good Vibes Only. And then here I'm just making sure that it's centered. And then I'm going to go to my local fonts and I'm going to choose Babus New Bold. And I'm just resizing it, making sure it's centered on the page. Also, I would try my absolute best to link the fonts that I used in the description down below. Then I'm going to change the font for Only. To Maria Rose Regular. And I'm just going to resize that and position it better. Then from there, you can either change the color of your text, but I'm actually going to add a texture. So I'm going to go to the Photos tab and upload my texture, which is very similar to like a galaxy background. Then I'm going to drag and drop that onto my page and then cover up the words that I want it to be on. And then I'm going to go to the left, click on Lighten. So you see here it changes the color of the words. I'm just going to pull that texture down a little bit so that it kind of merges into the Only a little bit. And then that's it for me. I won't be adding anything else to this printable, but feel free to add different things as you want. But once you're finished, you're going to go up to the top and select Save. Select the highest quality. Then click Save to my computer. You're going to right click on the image, go down to Save Image As, type in your title, and make sure that you put .jpeg at the end of your title. This is very important. Select where you want it to go and select Save. And that's how you would create a printable in iPicky. And from there, I'm going to create a mock-up for my printable on my Etsy shop. So I selected New, and since I saved my image, I'm going to click Discard Design. I'm going to click Open, go to my computer and pull up the mock-up that I purchased. I will leave a link down below in the description box where you can purchase this mock-up for printables. Once you have your mock-up pulled up, So once you have your mockup pulled up, you're going to go to the Layers tab on the left hand side, and you're going to add your printable image. Here I'm just resizing it so that it looks better inside of the mock-up frame. And then you're going to go to the top and select apply. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back up to the top and hit save. Select my computer. Select the highest quality. Hit save to my computer. Then you want to right click as well, save image as, give it a title. Make sure you put JPEG at the end of that title. Select where you want it to go and hit save. And there you have it, guys, your mock-up for your Etsy shop, and then your printable that you will be selling as a digital file on Etsy. Thank you, love, so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.